Hello, I'm going to be doing a trick called the soulmate trick. I'm going to count out 12 cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to put the rest of the deck aside. Now I'm just going to cut these until my assistant says when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, are you fair with that? Okay, now just to make sure that I've got 12 cards, I'm going to count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now if you could just point to any one of these piles and I'll take the top card off. Okay, so it's the King of Diamonds. Now that could have been any pile.
Yep.
Now I'm just going to take the top and bottom card off here, place them down. Top and bottom, place them down. Top and bottom again. Top and bottom, and the last top and bottom, leaving us with one card. Now, you know, the King of Diamonds has a soulmate, and like any other card, and the King of Diamonds soulmate is the King of Hearts. But not only that, the Queen of Spades is with the Queen of Clubs, the Jack of Hearts is with the Jack of Diamonds, the King of Clubs is with the King of Spades, and the Jack of Spades is with the Jack of Clubs, and finally the Queen of Hearts is with the Queen of Diamonds, all with their soulmates. And that's it. Okay, goodbye.